Food, beverage and agribusiness, or as we like to call it, FBA, is sometimes treated as a single sector, but in reality it's a system, and how capital earns its return depends on where it sits along that value chain. It's less about deciding which activities matter most and more about where earnings are consistent, repeatable and able to grow. Seen as a whole, the system is not a hierarchy, it's more like a menu. Capital is drawn to different parts of the value chain depending on risk appetite, volatility tolerance, and the businesses investors understand. Some investors may back farms or fisheries, for example, where earnings move with seasons and prices. Others prefer infrastructure, where income comes from moving and storing volumes, such as grain through a silo or a port, or food through a cold store. Processing attracts capital because it turns variable supply, like meat or milk, into consistent products. Manufacturing and brands attract capital because products are bought again and again, whereas inputs and intellectual property appeal where production must keep running. You can see this in a supermarket. The price of lettuce and the availability of lettuce depends on the weather. The cold room earns its fee overnight, whereas the yogurt tastes the same all year. So the real question for an investor is where along that value chain best matches their appetite.